Guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, my name is Nickie. I'm a Rwandan YouTuber based in Lagos. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you guys, we are going to talk about everything wig, everything you need for you to be able to install your wig at home. Before we start, please do subscribe so you can be updated whenever I upload the video. Give me a thumbs up and talk to me in the comment section. I know sometimes when you just started, it can be intimidating, especially when you don't know where to start from. You don't have any hair experience. You don't even know how to put on your hair in a band. You don't know how to do your edges. I know it can be intimidating to start thinking that you can do wigs, but trust me, wigs are the most easiest thing you can do. I think everything comes with experience, of course, but like, don't be intimidated, girl. Everyone started from scratch. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, you're going to need like a set of brushes. This brush is really important, especially for curly hair. This one good for detangling your hair. Let's say you just started combing out, or maybe you are cleaning or washing your wigs. You'll need like a wild teeth comb to clean and comb your hair to detangle it. Make sure that you don't break it. You're going to need a small tail comb. Looks like this. Something that this one, it's really important because it helps you like part your hair, middle part, side part, get out your edges when you're about to do your edges. This one is really important as well. Something else you're going to need comb wise is a brush. A brush, like a edges brush. This brush is really important. This brush is a must-have. Even use your toothbrush, like one of your toothbrushes that you've trashed. They are good to do edges as well. So combs are really important. Suppose that you are going to need a wig. Obviously you're going to need a wig. Right now I have my I'm rocking my natural hair. We're not going to do anything wig, but like, there is no installing wig without a wig. This one is in this bag. Especially if you're buying wigs and they give you these dust bags, please don't throw it away because they are very handy. They are very important to store your wigs. Some that are made in satin or in this material, they are nice and soft to the hair, so it doesn't damage your hair when you are storing it, when you're not wearing it. So always keep your dust bags that comes with your wigs. So yeah, we have our wig, we have our combs. Next, it doesn't matter if you're going to glue down your wig or you're going to do glueless, you will need some sort of glue. So there is, I'll say, 3 types of glue. So there is this extra hold. This one I'm using, it's called bold hold. It's really a good glue. So this one, you use it especially when you're going to wear your wig for more than 2 days, when it's like a long time installation. So you need a glue that's really gluing, that's going to melt your lace into your skin and hold for a long time. So that's when you use those kind of glue that you apply more than like 2 to 3 layers for it to hold really well. You also need this ultra glue, or not glue. You also need a styling gel or a styling glue for your edges. So this is very handy, especially, doesn't matter long time install or glueless. Sometimes you just need to brush or to lay your edges for it to mimic your normal hairline, and you'll need a glue like this or a styling gel like this. So another glue you'll need This doesn't mean that you have to buy all of this for you to start wearing wigs, but like I'm telling you everything you must have, or if you can, should buy for you to be able to install your wigs without any problem, like a professional. So you need an adhesive spray or a spray for glueless or for like a 1 day install. So this is when you buy a glue like this. Most of the time it comes like in a spray form. I mean, it holds, but like it's not going to hold down your wig for more than 2 days. So if you are the kind of person that doesn't like to sleep in your wigs and stuff, so you need a glue like this to be able to hold it on the skin and also be able to remove it easily when you are done at the end of the day. So these three glues, it doesn't necessarily have to be these exact brands, but like you get what I mean with the type and how I explained them. Our wig, our glues, our combs, you'll need a band. You'll need an elastic band. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, as long as it's an elastic that will hold your wig down for 15 minutes up to 1 hour. I've seen on TikTok that people glue their wig for 1 hour. I want to try it and I'll tell you guys what I think about it, but apparently it melts your wig to the T. So this you can buy from any tailoring shop where they sell elastic. Just ask for wide elastic and you get this. So you need this to glue down to help you melt the lace to the skin. This is optional, but like you really need some kind of clips to just like be able to clip your hairs, especially let's say you are styling it, or maybe you want to do your makeup to get it out of the way. So you need any type of clips. Clips, you can buy them. They come in packs, so you can buy 1 or 2, or maybe like buy a pack of this. I think I got this like in a pack of 6, so they're very handy as well, especially that you lose them so easily. So yeah, and then a clip like this also to be tying your hair, let's say when you want to put the band, stuff like that. Guys, the next category, I'll call it treatment, like, sorry, the next category, I'll call it like wig treatment, hair treatment category, which includes mousse. You need any form of mousse, especially holding mousse, a mousse like this, any kind of mousse just to hold the curls. Let's say you are styling a curly hair, you need any kind of mousse to make sure that your curls are going to last long, so that at the end of the day, maybe after 2-3 hours, your hair will not be puffing up. So you need any type of mousse to hold it. You don't know what to do with this. Anyway, I hope it melts. Anyway, for hair that you are going to style, let's say you are going to curl it, or maybe that's like about like straight hair, wavy hair, you need some type of like heat protector. So heat protector, anyone, even for your normal hair, you need like a heat protector. A heat protector, this heat protector that I'm using right now is from Beautiful Natural Essentials. So any type of heat protector, it doesn't matter any brand as long as it works. What heat protector does, it protects your hair. Let's say you are using a flat iron to flatten or to straighten your hair. So in that case, the heat protector is to protect your hair against the heat so that it doesn't break easily, so that the heat doesn't damage your hair. So heat protector is very important. You also need any type of hair treatment or hair oil, especially anti-frizz. This is an anti-frizz from L'Oreal, and I really like this one. Whenever I apply it on my not curly, wavy hair and straight hair, it makes it like my hair, it makes my hair like rich, my hair shiny, not too shiny, but like smooth, and it doesn't detangle easily. So you need any type of oil and anti-frizz for your wavy hair and straight hair. So if you're doing any type of like wavy, you've styled your hair and you want your style to last longer, you need any kind of spray. So this is, excuse me, ultra set oil sheen hairspray. So it makes your hairstyle last longer and makes your hair smells good. So it's a plus. So you need this, but you don't really need it as much. You can still survive without it. Need any type of leave-in conditioner for curly hair. If you have a curly hair, you need a leave-in conditioner for you to be able to make the curls defined and stay like that. So a leave-in conditioner is really important, and in that case with the leave-in conditioner, you don't want to apply necessarily the leave-in conditioner straight on the hair. You can still dilute it in a spray bottle just like this and be spraying your wig for it, for the curls to be defined and, you know, give you that curly form you want, and then apply the mousse after to hold the curls. Okay. On next, this is not really necessary per se. A melting spray. This one is from Promag Argan Oil melting spray. A melting spray is when you are done like putting on, like you're done doing your normal glue, you've let it dry, you've removed it, and you have the white cast on the white marks on the lace, or maybe where you've applied where you have applied the lace. So what the melting spray does, it helps you like remove the white cast, and it helps you melt your lace properly. Like it makes your lace melt into the skin and disappear. In that case, you can always use any type of, you can even use like a hairspray, even use any type of glue spray, but not too glue. Just put a little bit to melt it, to make it melt. So you don't really necessarily need a specific melting spray. So, but I have it just in case, because in Lagos, Nigeria, it's easy to get this kind of products. Yeah, we've melted our lace. Now it's time to style it. For a curly hair, you don't really need much, but for a straight hair, for a wavy hair, you are going to style it, obviously. You need a normal flat iron just to flatten and straighten your hair. That's one. You need a dryer to dry your glue, or maybe to blow out your wig. But yes, you need a dryer. A dryer is a must. You have to have a dryer for you to really style your hair and come out really nice, especially you've washed it, you want to blow dry it, and so you can style it. So you need a hair dryer, hand dryer. You also need a wound. Any wound like this. Do they call them wound? I think wand. Is it wand? Yes, you need a wand, or like a curling iron like this to be curling your hair and stuff. And you also need a hot comb. A hot comb is a must-have, because a hot comb makes you, a hot comb helps you like shape and then make sure that your hair is fitted, your hair is laid, your hair is not like, you don't have like bulky hairs, or you don't have any hair that's not really doing what it's supposed to do. So you need a hot comb for that, especially for like partings, be middle part, side parts, be like laying your hairs before you install it so they can stay in place. You need a hot comb for that. So you need 4 tools like this. These are the basic because you can be extra and get more. More. I don't think I need to show you guys, but like, yeah, these 4 are really a must-have. We've installed our wig, we've styled it, so maybe it's time to go to bed and you are leaving the bed, not leaving the bed, you are leaving the wig on for the night. Of course, you'll need a satin bonnet. A satin bonnet is really important, very, very important. It doesn't matter if you have wigs or if you have like braids or if you have your natural hair, you need a satin bonnet for you to be able to sleep well with no problem, with no worries of thinking that you are going to break your hair, you are damaging your hair. As long as your hair is wrapped in a satin bonnet, it's going to be protected. I can't emphasize enough on how satin bonnets are really important for your hair, because any other type of fabrics are really harsh on the hair, and the hairs are really soft and they're really sensitive and they're really fragile, that you have to really take care of it, and need a satin bonnet for that. It's time to remove the wig. What you need the easy way is getting wipes, normal wipes, any wipes, baby wipes or cleansing facial wipes, and then having rubbing alcohol spirit. That's what I use most, removing the glue, be on the head, removing the glue, be on my hairline, or be on the lace. I use wipes and alcohol, rubbing alcohol. It does wonders. So yeah. Or else, if you want to be bougie and you have it, you can always use a lace. This one is called remover for lace wig bond. So this is like a glue remover. It's like an oil. You just put it on the lace, let it sit for like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and this will melt off the glue and the wig will come off right away. So yeah. So guys, I think I've covered most of the things that I wanted to show you, that the most important things that you must have. This one is like a bonus. This is like gloves. This glove is really helpful. It's like a heat protector whenever like I'm straightening my hair and I have to be touching my hair while I do it, or I have to touch any of the combs or the styling ones I'm using. So this is very helpful because it makes me like straighten my hair really fast and comfortably without worrying about like burning myself. So guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a thing or two in this video. Let me know in the comment section which product did I forget, which one do you think is the most important one out of these ones, which one are you looking forward to buy next. Let me know in the comment section if you need any recommendation or you need any names of the products I've talked about here. I'm going to list them in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time guys, I love you so much. Bye.